Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover my eyes only photos on Snapchat. Now, first thing you need to do is go to your Snapchat account, and you can see on your memories that you cannot access your My Eyes Only. If you forgot the passcode and you want to cover all your photos, go to your profile and click on the settings button on the upper right corner. And once you're in the settings page, you may scroll down and click on I need help. And in this page, go to the search bar and type in your issue about your My Eyes Only. And you can see the search results. You may scroll down to find the accurate one and click on I lost the snaps that I saved to My Eyes Only. And once you reach in this page, you may click on the X button, and this means that this article wasn't helpful for you. And after that, you will select another feedback that you will submit for your problem. And after that, you will click on Contact Us. By doing this, you will submit another request and click on I need help with Snapchat feature. And in the second part, you may click on the memories since the My Eyes Only falls on the memories category. And in the last one, you may click on My Eyes Only. And in this page, you will fill a form with your username, email, and your description with your problem regarding on your My Eyes Only photos. After submitting it, you still have to wait for Snapchat to give you feedback on your problem. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.